Your delegation just come from the Delhi.
Yes, we have come because of this grave and gross injustice against the Constitution of India, arresting two nuns because they are doing good work among poor people. They have taken, with the permission of the parents, the families, with all proof, 3 young women to work in a hospital in Agra, and they were stopped by the Bajrang Dal. These are extra constitutional forces, and these are people who are instigating violence against the Christian community here in Chhattisgarh. It happened earlier during the Congress regime in Bastar region. We have visited the area then, and now it is happening under the BJP government. So we are here to express our solidarity, to demand that this unconstitutional behavior towards a minority Christian community be stopped immediately. The FIR should be immediately withdrawn, and those responsible for this barbaric behavior against the nuns should be arrested.
Did you seek to meet the Christians arrested nuns?
Yes, we already asked for permission, and we are waiting to meet them. We will meet the nuns, we will meet the Adivasi girls who were forcibly beaten up and humiliated by the Bajrang Dal people. And we are also planning to meet the authorities here in Chhattisgarh, the Chief Minister or the Deputy Chief Minister.
Actually, it is not happening not in the Chhattisgarh, any other, all the part of the country also.
Yes, this is part of the Hindutva agenda, to attack the minorities of this country, to destroy the constitution. This is part of the Hindutva agenda, and we are seeing it playing out here in Chhattisgarh. And therefore we are all here to protest against it, because it is not the Christian community or the nuns only who are being attacked. It is the Constitution of India, and every citizen who believes in the Indian Constitution who is under attack today.
Actually, BJP government is doing first FIR is not changed after the new president.
Very strong sections added in that FIR, including BNS 143 and the anti-conversion law. I think
This has absolutely nothing to do with conversion. This is a complete and utter lie, a manufactured lie by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are trying to arouse anger against those who are serving the people here. This is absolutely intolerable, and therefore we are demanding withdrawal of the FIR.